This is a song that I introduced this once by saying this song is not as long as the title would lead you to believe. It's called All I Know. And a friend of mine was sitting in the audience and he said, I don't know, sounds like a pretty short song to me. Anyway, here we go. Well, I thought I knew a lot about love, 'cause I knew about a heartache. Yeah, I thought I knew a lot about love, 'cause I knew about pain. Oh, love is kind and love is sacred. It's the opposite of hatred, I used to say. God bless those who love in vain. Thought I knew about love, then you came. Well, I thought I knew a lot about life, 'cause I knew about dying. Yeah, I knew about life, 'cause I was still alive. Oh, I had read it in the Bible, thou shalt not be suicidal. I knew about life, 'cause I had learned how to survive. Thought I knew about life, then you're right. And the only thing I know is that I love you. When I'm with you, I feel so much more alive. I haven't been like this in years, only since you've been here. Everything I thought I knew, I have let go. And I love you, that's all I know. Well, now, I thought I knew a lot about time, 'cause I knew about waiting. Thought I knew about time, 'cause I watched it slip away. Oh, time flies and time stands still, but we've got some time to kill. And time can heal all wounds, I've heard them say, time after time. Love finds a way, and the only thing I know is that I love you. When I touch you, I feel so much more alive. I haven't been like this in years, only now that you're here. Everything I thought I knew, I have let go. Oh, and I love you, that's all I know. Yeah, well, I love you, that's all I know. Hey, baby, I love you, that's all I know. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.